Forget what?
You're not supposed to have any of those.
Yeah, I know.
You have 2 now. Hey, Mom.
One.
That's a basketball.
What do you mean? You don't know that that's a basketball? This could be an ant farm. This could be a microscope or anything.
No, it's not.
All right, come on, open him up. Open him up. That paper's a little heavy, huh?
Yeah, but I got it.
You should have seen me out there today. Somebody had stolen one of the scanners. I had to run old girl down.
Whatever.
What the hell you got an attitude about? Whatever what?
Every day he's got some damn story.
Hey, Roy! Can you beat your little rug when nobody's out here? It's dust and shit all over the place.
I'm trying to keep a clean house.
Wait a second. Listen, Linda. We're gonna come out of this. Everything is gonna be fine, all right?
You said that before. When I got pregnant, it'll be fine.
So you don't trust me now?
Whatever. I don't care.
Mr. Hi. Yeah, hi. Listen, what can I do for you? I submitted an application for the intern program about a month ago, and I would just love the opportunity to sit with you briefly.
Listen, I'm going to Noe Valley, Chris. Take care of yourself.
Actually, I'm on my way to Noe Valley also. How about we share a ride?
All right, get in.
So, when I was in the Navy, I worked for a doctor who loved to play golf, hours every day, and I would actually perform medical procedures when he'd leave me in the office. So, I'm used to being in a position where I have to make decisions, and Mr. Twistle, this is a very important...
I'm sorry. This thing's impossible.
I can do it.
No, you can't. No one can. It's bullshit.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I can do it.
No, you can't.
Let me see it. Give it here. You really messed it up. It looks like it works around a swivel, so the centerpieces never move. So if it's yellow in the center, that's the yellow side.
Right.
If it's red in the center, that's the red side.
Okay.
You can slow down.
Oh, listen, we can drive around all day, because I don't believe you can do this.
Yeah, I can.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
No, you can. I'm telling you, no one can. You almost have this side. You almost had that one.
I'm gonna get it.
Look at that. You're almost there.